Pillar 1, Business and Management. This pillar focuses on aligning the maintenance and reliability M&R function with the overall business goals, ensuring that strategies, measurements, and organizational structures enable effective decision-making and drive continuous improvement. Create strategic direction and plan for the maintenance and reliability M&R operation. Develop a comprehensive, long-term strategic plan for M&R that directly supports the organization's overall business objectives. Define and document the vision, mission, core values, goals, and key performance indicators, KPIs, specific to the M&R function. Conduct a SWOT analysis to evaluate internal strengths and weaknesses and external opportunities and threats impacting M&R. Establish formal policies for asset management, asset lifecycle management, and resource allocation to guide consistent and effective operations. Integrate risk management strategies and sustainability objectives into the M&R planning framework. Gather and incorporate feedback and input from multiple levels of the organization, including corporate leadership, operations teams, and maintenance and reliability personnel. Ensure that the M&R strategy is synchronized with the organization's broader strategic planning and review cycles. Utilize analytical tools such as gap analysis and benchmarking studies to assess the current state of maintenance practices and define the path toward achieving the desired future performance state. Administer strategic plan. Convert the high-level strategic plan into actionable programs and detailed tactical plans that guide day-to-day maintenance and reliability activities. Prioritize initiatives based on factors such as value creation, urgency of needs, and availability of resources to maximize impact and efficiency. Assign clear roles, responsibilities, and accountability to individuals or teams responsible for executing specific parts of the plan. Implement a governance structure to oversee and manage the administration of the plan, ensuring effective monitoring and control. Periodically review and update the strategic plan to maintain alignment with evolving business objectives, operational changes, and market conditions. Ensure that all activities comply with relevant industry standards, safety regulations, environmental requirements, and internal corporate policies. Establish a resource planning framework that addresses the needs for labor, materials, tools, and employee training to support plan execution effectively. Measure performance. Develop performance indicators that directly reflect both the strategic objectives and operational goals of the maintenance and reliability function. Utilize a combination of leading, predictive metrics and lagging, historical metrics to provide a balanced view of current performance and future risks. Examples of key performance metrics include overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, mean time between failures, MTBF, and maintenance cost as a percentage of replacement asset value, RF. Apply performance measurement consistently across multiple organizational levels, such as individual assets, entire plants, and the organization as a whole. Establish clear performance baselines and set measurable targets to facilitate the tracking of progress over time. Analyze any performance gaps identified and perform root cause analysis to understand underlying issues and implement corrective actions. Communicate performance results regularly to all stakeholders and actively use these insights to drive continuous improvement initiatives. Organizational changes. Ensure that the maintenance and reliability M&R organizational structure is designed to fully support and align with the organization's strategic goals and business objectives. Identify existing gaps in personnel skills, technology capabilities, and maintenance processes, and implement strategies to address and close these gaps. Manage organizational change effectively by applying structured change management models, such as ADKAR, to guide transitions and build employee buy-in. Clearly align roles, responsibilities, and required competencies of all M&R personnel with the organization's maintenance and reliability objectives. Promote and embed a culture of reliability across the organization through consistent training, leadership involvement, and recognition of reliability-focused behaviors. Foster cross-functional collaboration between maintenance, operations, engineering, and supply chain teams to improve overall asset performance and organizational efficiency. Adapt the M&R organization to accommodate new business models and trends, including digital transformation initiatives and the strategic use of outsourcing where appropriate. Communication with stakeholders. Identify both internal and external stakeholders who are impacted by or have influence over maintenance and reliability (M&R) activities, such as senior management, operations teams, finance departments, and suppliers. Develop a comprehensive communication strategy that defines the message content, the medium of communication, e.g., emails, meetings, reports, the frequency of updates, and the specific audience for each communication. Utilize tools like dashboards, performance reports, regular meetings, and workshops to effectively share M&R plans, initiatives, and performance results with stakeholders. Ensure full transparency and demonstrate clear alignment between M&R objectives and broader business goals to build trust and strategic support. Actively solicit feedback from stakeholders and foster a collaborative environment that encourages open communication and continuous improvement. Proactively address any stakeholder concerns or issues with consistent communication and action to maintain credibility and support. Advocate for the importance of maintenance and reliability within the organization by highlighting its strategic value and contributions to business success.